Hey, hello everyone, and how are you guys? So yes, we have basically started with uh, management, and we did a lot of things in management, such as characteristics of management, importance of management, levels of management, and ultimately functions of management, which I have uploaded recently, like yesterday. So today what we are going to do is, today we are going to do controlling function, right? So we have completed a lot of things, and in yesterday's session we were completing functions of management, right? Now today we are going to discuss about coordination, and then we'll be moving forward towards various principles of management. Okay, so before starting this particular session, right, anybody of you, if you want these notes, these scanned notes, right, what you can do is you can follow my telegram channel. Okay, so this is particularly my telegram channel, and you can search on telegram as learning to learn, right? You can also follow me on Unacademy. If you guys are not on Unacademy, please go to your phone and search this app. There is an application called Unacademy Learners app, and you'll find n number of videos free of cost. I too take special classes are usually free of cost videos, so that you can get a lot number of benefit. And if you're specially preparing for NTA UGC net or CSIR UGC net, UPSC examinations, any competitive examinations, you need to check out this, because there are various educators on Unacademy who are trying very hard to bring very good content, right? And after joining the special classes, if you think you want to join the plus course is actually paid course where you have to pay a particular amount, so that customized, or you can say the whole videos or the whole content is customized according to your own syllabus, right? So you will get that videos, that notes, that PDFs, as well as doubt clearing session, weekly test, etc. So if you want that, you can use this referral code Aditi Live, right, to get 10% discount on your plus subscription. As well as I have my two other channels on YouTube, that is Study Vlog and Boss Lady. This you can find at the end of the video, right? So make sure you subscribe to these channels, or just check out the content. It has a very awesome content. Okay, I think it might help you. As well as, if you want the same series in Hindi, that suppose ma'am, if I'm not very comfortable in English, it would be better if you have explained it in Hindi. Don't worry, I'm bringing the same series in Hindi, right? You just check out my channel, you'll get the same playlist in Hindi as well, and I will note it in the description box, so that you guys can get everything. Fine. Now let's start with controlling. In the previous session, if you have seen, we have done all the functions of management, including controlling, right? Today we'll start with coordination. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see this very properly. So today we are going to complete what is coordination. See, in the previous video I actually told you about the various functions of management, yes, and we even discussed about this diagram. Okay, let me just, okay, great, fine. So we have also discussed about this diagram. Now see very carefully, it is a very important topic. Coordination means to help others, right? To coordinate with others, right? To work with others, to work according to others, right? So coordination is included in planning, it is included in organizing, it is included in staffing, it is included in directing, and it is included in controlling. So coordination exists in each and every function of management, right? So we can say that is the core of management activities, yes. That is the essence of management activities or functions, yes. So what actually is happening here, that all these functions are possible only if they are coordinated with each other. For example, the planning team is planning something, and the organizing team is organizing something else, without consideration of what planning has been done or what decisions have been taken. then what will happen? Then nothing will be in synchronization. Everyone is moving towards a very different direction, so it will become very problematic. So what is the exact solution for this? To coordinate with each other and then take decisions, then start implementing plans, then start doing activities, right? So I hope you have understood what is coordination. So let us understand the theoretical aspect. Coordination is that force that binds all the functions of management. Yes, it comes together, or it brings together all the various functions of management, right? Coordination is sometimes considered as a separate function of management, but it is the essence of management for achieving harmony among individual efforts towards the accomplishment of goals. What exactly we are trying to say here is coordination is considered as a separate function. It is not, you can say, it is not only a part of planning, only a part of organizing, only a part of staffing. No, it is not a single part. It is exist in every function, right? So it is not a separate function, it is an integrated function, right? So though coordination is sometimes considered as a separate function, but it is the essence of management, the main core of management for achieving harmony among individual efforts towards accomplishment of goals, right? Now let us understand various characteristics of coordination. It integrates group efforts. Yes, all the group efforts from planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, all the group efforts are integrated only because it is coordinated with each other. If coordination doesn't exist, we will not be able to integrate the group efforts. The next is to ensure unity of action. Yes, everybody is trying to, you can say, unite themselves or go on the same activity, or do, you can say, the I can say, to go on the same direction, right? Everybody is trying to achieve the same objective. Fine. Coordination is continuous process. Yes, it is a continuous process. It is not like that only after planning you will stop coordinating, only after directing you will stop coordinating. No, it is a continuous process. It keeps on going, right? It is a very continuous process. It doesn't stop. Now coordination is all pervasive function. Yes, why it is pervasive? Because it does exist, but you will not be able to see, you cannot see it, you cannot touch it, you cannot feel it, right? So it is pervasive. It exists, but it is an intangible force, right? Next, it is responsibility for of all managers. Yes, coordination is ultimately the responsibility of all these people. Planning team should help or should coordinate with organizing should coordinate with staffing should coordinate with directing should coordinate with controlling, and controlling henceforth should coordinate with planning. In the same way, planning should also coordinate with controlling, directing, staffing, organizing should coordinate with planning, controlling, directing, staffing. It means all the managers are responsible to coordinate with each other. Not only planning managers are responsible, no. Each and every type of managers are, you can say, responsible, right? So it is the responsibility of managers. Now it is a deliberate function. Deliberate means purposeful. It is a purposeful activity where you do this activity with an objective in your mind. It is not you can say done randomly. No, it is purposefully done, it is deliberately done, so that you can help the other person, or the other person might help you, or you can coordinate, or you can say you synchronize your activities with the other department, and the other department does the same, right? Now the importance of coordination. The importance of coordination is growth in size, functional differentiation, and specialization. So coordination helps you to grow your business, because each and every person is helping you, is coordinating with you, right? Functional differences still exist, but yes, through coordination there will be a very harmonized way, or they can work in a very synchronized manner, right? Specialization, yes, each and every departmental specialization can be used to an optimum level through the help of coordination, right? Because planning can help to various levels, right? Planning can help in organizing function, planning can help in staffing function, planning can help in directing function, planning can help in coordinating controlling function, right? So this is how the specialization can be utilized, right? So this was all about coordination today. In the next video, which is going to be uploaded as on Monday, right, what we are going to do is we are going to start with the principles, right? Let me see, where did I put that notes? Okay, yes. So in the coming lecture, we are going to understand what are the principles of management, right? And the nature of principles of management, and Henry Fayol's principles, as well as F.W. Taylor's principles, right? So I hope you have understood this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you just like my content, if you have understood everything, you can promote me by just liking the button and subscribe to my channel to get more videos of such, right? And one more simple quick update, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will be uploading all the topics related to management in Hindi and English as well. And on Thursday, Friday and Saturday, I will be uploading various videos on financial management, so that you can watch the videos accordingly, right? So today being Wednesday, right, today I will be uploading management videos, and tomorrow is Thursday, so from tomorrow I'll be starting with financial management. Only after completion of these two subjects I'll be able to start any new topic, right? So this was it, right? As well as, of course, you can follow me my Telegram channel, you can follow me on Unacademy. On Unacademy you can use this name, that is Aditi Vinod Arya, so that you can see my free classes as well as paid courses going on, right? So take good care of yourself, study hard, keep learning, and if there is any doubt, any problem, please do let me know. I'd be very, you can say, happy to help you guys. Take good care of yourself, study hard. Bye bye.